Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make coconut sorbet. Start by making a simple syrup so sugar dissolves evenly, then whisk with full-fat coconut milk and a pinch of salt for balance. Chill the mixture fully so it freezes faster and smoother, then process in an ice cream maker until soft-serve textured. Transfer to a container and freeze until firm, stirring once if needed for even texture. Gather your ingredients and prep in advance to streamline the process and avoid crystal formation. Warm the sugar with water to make a syrup, then cool it completely before combining with coconut milk so it stays smooth. Add lime juice and a small pinch of salt to enhance flavor, then refrigerate the mixture until fully chilled. Cold base means faster churning and a silkier texture when you freeze the sorbet. If you're finding this helpful, please like and subscribe for more simple recipes and tips. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes and cookbooks anywhere, and it's lightweight when you're juggling bowls and spoons. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily and consider it a handy kitchen companion. Now let's get back to the video. Churning matters. Use an ice cream maker for the creamiest coconut sorbet, churning until you see a soft-serve texture, then transferring to a container to firm up. No machine. Freeze the mix and stir vigorously every 20 to 30 minutes to break up ice crystals for a smoother result. When fully frozen, press a piece of parchment against the surface to prevent ice formation and seal tightly to protect flavor and texture in the freezer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.